In our last video, we looked at how to open an account with DigiResults. In this video, we will look at how to open an account with Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a nifty affiliate marketing help website that gives you a safe and trusted marketplace for Warrior Forum and the Warrior Special Offer section. First of all, you will have to have a PayPal account. Next, because this is a helper site, you will need to open an account with Warrior Forum. If you already have an account there, you can skip this step. Go to http://www.warriorforum.com. Click on Click here to register. Make sure to read the rules on the page that comes up, and after that, click the box that says you agree and hit the register button. On the next screen, fill in all your information and fill in referrer information if it is applicable, and hit the Complete Registration button. Next, you will be filling out your account information. Make sure to take note of the fact that your username must be the same as the one you signed up with on the Warrior Forum. If you use another name, it will not work. Once again, you will be sent a confirmation email, so make sure to confirm your account. You are now on your way to promoting products from Warrior Plus. Next, we will look at how to choose profitable affiliate programs.